We got a problem. Mike bought these fancy ass bolts, but they're too fucking long. Out here getting coffee with the guys. Got Mike's EK here. Check it out, check it out. Got the silver T37s, SLs, OEM SI front lip, CTR headlights, CTR mirrors. This wing's pretty cool too. The Mod Parfume wing. Oh shit. That came down too fast. Whoops. I'm gonna put that in there. There we go. Sorry, Mike. My bad, G. Got the Mod Parfume wing. Color match skirts. Color match mirrors. Stock interior. Look, my boy got hella parts. Look at him. Cluster. Whoop-de-whoop. Blah, blah, blah. But anywho, we were here and he's been asking me to wire his steering wheel, his horn button, for like a little while now. And I always forget. But today we're chilling and I figure I'll install it and show you guys how to wire up your horn, because most of y'all have setups like mine or similar. Check it out. It's a custom hub, ASR spacer, my prototype horn button. Check that out. But most of you guys don't even have a horn wired. And to be honest, it's really, really easy to do. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it on Mike's cart today. So this is the steering wheel he picked. Momo Monte Carlo yellow stitch. He's not gonna be using the spacer. We're gonna be using an NRG hub, a Works Built quick release, and that's about it. But the item you need to wire up your horn button is this. So write this part number down. This is called the shoehorn. This comes on, open it up. All it is, it's a metal little tab. So pretty much this goes on your steering column, whatever way you want to mount it. But you see this little dot here? This will always create contact with the back of the hub. I'll show you guys once I install it, but this always creates contact here. A wire gets connected here with the male connector. You snip your horn wire over there, and that's what causes everything to work. Here's the horn. Honestly, it's really simple. I'll show you guys how to do it. So first things first, make sure your steering wheel is straight. That looks straight right there. Remove the two caps on the side here for a stock steering wheel, and you remove that Torx bit in there, that Torx bolt thingy. Boom. Oh, perfect. Okay, so once you remove those two bolts, you disconnect all these clips and remove your airbag. And you should probably disconnect your battery. All right, so once you remove the bag, this is your SRS unit. The red part is part of the horn. And then the big bolt in the center is a 19. Make sure you loosen that. Don't take it off all the way so that you could pull the steering wheel off and not hit your face like that. So make sure it's still centered. Take this big bolt off, set it aside. Boom. Once you take the wheel off, you'll have this piece left. I think it's called, I don't know what it's called. It's like a SRS coil, or I don't know. You take this shit off, okay? You remove the top and bottom plastic. Take this bad boy off. Then in the back of this, there's a wire. You see that single wire? This is actually your horn wire. What we will be snipping and using as a connector to wire up the horn button, pretty much. Okay, so once you remove that, you disconnect that blue wire I just showed you from that end. Then this wire stays on there, but you follow the wires back, and there's two clips down here. See that yellow clip here? And then there's a gray one. That gray one's your horn. This is the SRS stuff. You just disconnect it. All right, so once you disconnect that, this is the harness you'll need. So what I do is I don't cut this off. I connect this back to the harness behind the dash, but I'll delume this and cut about half That way I just add a little piece of wire to go to that copper clip, and that copper clip we just add it to any of these existing holes, and it'll always touch the back of the hub, and pretty much that's how you get the horn to work. Okay, so we added a little wire. Don't judge me, it's a butt connector. I'm in a fucking parking lot, I ain't at the crib, you know what I'm saying? Add this little metal connector right here. You're just gonna wire this bad boy right here with the existing bolt. Turn it this way, clock this way, be good to go. Okay, so you match the two little wires to the two little wires on the back of the quick release. We are going to install the quick release. Mike doesn't want the spacer set up, so we ditched that. But the spacer setup, you could actually use the Momo horn ring thing. So he thinks he has the other part at home, so he's doing that over there. Hopefully all this shit makes sense. But yeah, the horn wire to the back of the hub. Connect the two corresponding wires, the red and the black and the black. And you guys got to make sure that it's got like this little dot right here. That lets you know that you're centered and face that bad boy up. We're just double checking over here because I think Mike installed it incorrectly.
It's Sunday with no breakfast.
Yup, so we'll see.
If you have any questions, call the toll-free number.
Yeah, call the toll-free number, 1-800-MENAS.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth. You didn't.
No, I didn't.
So this dot right here, you guys see this dot? It's got a little dot right here. That, make sure that's facing upward as well. That's where your wheel's gonna be placed. So Mike had it cocked this way, so he's gonna be driving with the wheel. Fucking, you know? So make sure that dot lines up with the center dot up here.
So like that?
Correct. Now bolt it up.
Okay.
So the only problem here is Mike forgot either at home in the quick release box the metal retainer that holds the horn button. So that means this button's just gonna continue to keep falling off because he doesn't have that at the moment, but he wants to run the quick release. So we're gonna wire this up. When he gets home, he's gonna look for the retainer that holds the button in place. Okay, Mike fucking installed the steering wheel on the quick release. Now all you do is connect both wires to the back of the horn button. It honestly doesn't matter which one goes to which. He's missing the horn retainer ring, like I mentioned, so this thing is not going to stay in there flush. But just to give you guys an idea, he doesn't have it, but you get the idea. Horn works, boom boom, beauty. Success. Now you install all the crap back. Well, just these right here. Exactly, motherfucker. Shut your ass up. But we golden.